Hi guys, I got a question for you. Where is a rabbit's favorite place to hang out? Stay tuned to find out. Hi, and welcome to My Favorite Memories craft table. Today we are going to be using scraps, and this is very much inspired by the Dollar Tree and their little burlap bunny bags. I have been doing a lot of rustic, especially the Easter eggs, and getting ready for spring and such, and my basket is full of eggs, but it needs something else. And the first thing that popped into my mind were those little Dollar Tree burlap bunny bags. Well, I wanted something a little bit more rustic, and so I started going through the scraps that were left over from the egg tutorials that I've been doing, and I thought, well, gosh, I've got everything right here. Let's make some of our own. And some of them will be bags. You can put treats or whatever in, but some of them are just going to be rustic bunnies. So, let's find out what we need. Alright, the first thing we're going to need is some scraps. I have some pink gingham. I have some pink with white polka dots, and I've got a whole lot of burlap scraps left over. And we're going to need some little hair ties. These little ponytail elastic bands. I picked these up at the Dollar Tree. I got a big bag full. I use them for a lot of things. We are going to need scissors, maybe some buttons, some markers, depending on what you want to do, jute, twine, anything you've got left over, even ribbons. I've got all kinds of rustic, to me, ribbons. Some maybe googly eyes, depending. These are all optional. Some little puff balls. I've got all different kinds in here, all different sizes. Some batting or cotton balls, depending on what you want to do. So, like I said, I am making mine to add to my rustic decor. You can use them as little treat bags, decor, sit around the house things, gifts, anything you want. So, let's get to work here, and I'll show you how easy it is. Alright, first thing you're going to need is a scrap. It can be any material that you want. I grabbed a piece of burlap. I want mine rustic, so I'm going with the burlap first. And it's one piece of material. It is approximately, let's see, 12, about 16 inches long. It doesn't have to be that big, it's just what I had. And I'm going to fold it in half, and the folded part is going to be down at the bottom. And I also forgot to tell you, you're going to need your glue gun. It's a normal thing for me. You can actually sew, use a glue gun, any way you want to do it. But what we're going to do is we're going to glue these two sides together. So let's get to work. And there we have our bunny. Now you can decorate the way you want. And there you go. One little burlap bunny bag. And so many cute ideas can come out of this. You could put little jelly beans, Easter candy, great for class parties, friend gifts, your kids' Easter baskets, anything you want. Or fill it with batting, cotton balls, even rice and beans. Sit them around the house. You have some really cute Easter and spring decor. So, I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, give me that thumbs up. Leave me a comment, and if you like this kind of off the wall, out of my head stuff, hit the subscribe button, click on the bell. It'll tell you the next time I have these strange and unusual but fun ideas. So I really hope you have a great day. And I really, really hope to see you soon. So, bye-bye now. Oh, wait. You want to know where a rabbit's favorite place to hang out is? Well, if you haven't guessed by now, it's IHOP. Okay, sorry about that. See you later.